Abangan niyo yung vlogger.
Silent LS.
Hindi. Alam dating.
Ang title mo, Silent LS.